Hello, I want to show this week's progress on the application. Kind of in the middle of some pretty big dashboard enhancements, so we're actually still locally, and this has not been deployed to production. But just going to kind of show what we're working on. So here we're at the application, um, and I'm going to show the telemetry definition that we're working with. So it's going to be a mine truck status. The payload's going to look like this, and it's got some attributes like the fault codes, temperature, and speed. So pretty basic. Um, so what we're going to do is going to create a quick dashboard. So we've got this dashboard. We're going to add a widget. Um, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a map widget. And then this is a preview for the widget. And we choose a telemetry definition and an optional status. Um, so that is going to be the preview for it. We can change the map style. We can go like a dark theme. We can go like was it satellite, streets. So let's do dark because it is cool looking. So we got that, and then I'm going to add. I'm just going to add a couple widgets. We're going to rearrange them. So we're going to add a value widget. Again, we're going to do the mine truck status, and we're going to see the latest code. So check engine. We have the ability to change the size of the widget, of the text, and we can also change the font color and the background color. So that looks a little ugly, but it works. So let's see. Let's actually make it something nice. A little, since we're in the dark theme. Let's just do that. So we've got codes. Let's add another widget for speed. And let's do a list. Let's do another value, a widget for the temp. And then one more widget we're going to add is the lists. We're just going to do a list of the fault codes. I've got some gibberish in here, but you can see like when it happened, this. And then I've got a little bit of a, I have an appearance option for here. We can animate uh, the dragging of the columns. But really, we made the data model so we can have much more flexible appearances and everything. So here's our widget. Now we're just going to drag and drop things around to make it kind of look good. Temp, speed, codes. Put this here. And then we'll have our list of fault codes right there. Make this a little bigger. Let's drag this around. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to hit refresh because I have a little bug. And then that is how we have our dashboard. So really what we did is we added the ability for each of our widgets to have an appearance. And a lot of other IoT platforms like UBDots and DataCake have this similar thing. So we're kind of working on the database tables and the architecture to be able to handle this as we go forward and add to this. So you can be like, let's make it a satellite view, submit. So now it's satellite, and then you can, if you want to turn off the last known position, you can like, you can see where things are going. Okay, so that is the dashboard builder. Kind of deep in that. The other thing I just want to show you is we only have right now, we only have a couple widget types. We have a map, which we're going to work really hard and make that best in class a value in the list. A lot of times you want to have graphs and more data. So we go here to monitor.myDeviceSpot, and this is our managed Grafana. So we're working on a mining application. So I'm going to show you this dashboard real quick. And then so this is like total production, and what we can do is you can actually drag and like slice the time to see intervals. And this is total production in pounds based on weight and speed. So that is our managed Grafana, which we don't let, like, so this here right here is there's a query, and you have to actually directly hit the database and query the database. So the managed Grafana is for more of a custom for our customers that we work with and they need something a little more custom. The dashboard builder in this piece of the application is more self-service. So you'll be able to build your own dashboards. So that's kind of the differentiation. In the future, we want to have this more integrated with the application, and eventually have more widgets and pull them into My Device Bot. So yeah, that is the demo for this week. See ya.